Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give a little bit of clarification here for the mammal dental formulas assignment, help with the instructions on that. So this is comparing the different dental formulas for a few different mammals here. So as you're going down to each one, you'll see the skull of the animal to show its teeth off, and you're going to be filling out these charts. So I'll talk a little bit about that. The dental formulas of mammals tell us how many of each kind of tooth they have. This can be useful for identifying some mammals. Using the pictures provided in the dental formulas from this website, you'll be comparing different mammal dental formulas. So again, this is the website that I'm talking about, Dental Formula in Mammals, but you'll want to scroll down a little bit for what you're looking for here. So there is a chart, keep going down. So right here it says the dental formulae of some common mammals are given below, and it starts with A, man, humans is what it means there, and goes all the way down to H, sheep. So some of the ones from this list are the ones that I selected for this assignment. So you'll be looking for some of these for the types of dental formulas. Excuse me. So like I said, scroll down to the image that has the different mammals listed A through H. The letters for each kind of tooth in the formulas on the website are I for incisor, C for canine, PM for premolar, and M for molar. So again, you can see right here in front of each, like it kind of looks like a fraction. I is incisor, C is canine, PM is premolar, M is molar. So that's what each one of those indicates. So it's the numbers that are directly after that. So like with humans, for incisors, we see 2 on top, 2 on the bottom is what we're talking about there. So the number on top is for the number of teeth on the upper jaw, and the number on the bottom is for the number of teeth on the lower jaw. In both of those cases, again, remember, it's only talking about one side of the mouth. If we think about that bilateral symmetry, it's only talking about one side. Include the total number of teeth as well on your chart. All you have to do is add up the teeth from the upper and lower jaw, then multiply by 2 to count for both sides of the mouth. You can double check your answer because each one of these, the very last part here, is going to have the number of total teeth. So again, they have the parts listed out like 2, 1, 2, 3 for top and bottom on human teeth. So the sum of all those times 2 is 32. Answer the questions about the diets for each mammal to see how the differences in the teeth are related to what they eat. The first example, human, has been done for you. So again, let's look at this chart to look exactly how the info lines up. So again, if we're looking at our chart here, we know for incisors it's 2 on top and bottom, canines 1 top and bottom, premolars 2 top and bottom, molars 3 top and bottom. So we put that same data in here. Incisors, upper jaw, lower jaw, so 2 and 2, canines 1 and 1, premolars 2 and 2, molars 3 and 3. And again, if we add all of these numbers up and multiply by 2, that would give us the total number of teeth, 32. So what is this mammal's diet? So for human beings, I put various fruits, veggies, and meats. We're omnivores. We eat a wide variety of stuff. You might find more specific types of either fruits, veggies, or meats, depending on what animal you're talking about. So be as specific as you can for this part. And then I put based on its diet, is it a carnivore, herbivore, or omnivore? So we are omnivores. Remember, carnivore means something that only eats meat. Herbivore is something that only eats plants, and omnivores eat a mix of both. So again, you're just filling out these charts for the different skulls that we've got here, like the rabbit, for example. You just be filling out that same info on there. So I hope that this helped to clarify this assignment. If you do run into any problems with this, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can hop into our science department office hours every weekday, 9:30 to 10:30 through Zoom.